According to China EV Post, Tesla has over 400 Tier 1 suppliers in China, with more than 60 integrated into its global supply chain. Notably, more than 95% of components for Tesla's Shanghai factory are sourced locally. The Shanghai plant, operational since late 2019, produces the Model 3 and Model Y, delivering a vehicle every 30 seconds. In the first 3 quarters of 2024, Tesla's Shanghai factory delivered 676,000 vehicles, accounting for over 52% of Tesla's global deliveries. In October, Tesla China sold 68,280 vehicles, including 27,795 for export. Domestic sales reached 40,485 units, the lowest since April but up 41% compared to October last year. Tesla's cumulative sales in China from January to October 2024 surpassed 500,000 vehicles, an 8.3% increase from 2023. Meanwhile, reports suggest the rollout of Tesla's full self-driving feature in China may be delayed beyond the first quarter of 2025. You are listening to Yuan News.